Alright, hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a good Halloween if you guys celebrate that. And it's on to Thanksgiving next, but yeah. So just going out for a ride today, super nice out. It's like 65 right now, but it's supposed to get warmer later on anyway, but I just figured I'd just get out now and ride. Yeah, so it's just gonna be like a laid back video, nothing like crazy or special in it. So yeah, just out here to enjoy this ride and enjoy the however many days of nice weather we have left, because I'm surprised this like whole next week is supposed to be like 70s, so I'm not complaining about that at all. Whoa. Not know that turtle's coming up there because they switched that lane up. So yeah, sorry I haven't done a video in a while. Like I think it was like last week, I went downstairs to look at my helmet, and my GoPro mount like was like falling, like completely came off, like peeled off the helmet, and it was just sitting there. So thankfully that wasn't it didn't happen while I was riding or something, because then I might be out of a GoPro if that had happened. But yeah, I mean, I figured something like that might happen because it is a Ruroc brand to go with like the helmet or whatever. But like when I got the mount, it wasn't a 3M adhesive. It was just a, I don't know, no name, just a red peel thing. And then so yeah, so I was like, bro, I was like 50 bucks for the mount. It goes like 30 bucks for the mount, and then 20 for like shipping and stuff. Should have lasted longer than a few months, you know. And I'm just glad it didn't happen when I was riding, like I said. So yeah, that's annoying. I was trying to figure out with them if I could get like a new mount or something like that. It's like commented on one of their things on Instagram. I was like, yeah, you should start using 3M tape for the GoPro mount, because mine fell off and then almost broke my GoPro. And then they contacted me back, and they replied, and they told me to DM them the order number, so I did. And then when they replied, they're like, what can I do? What do you want us to do with this order number? I was like, yeah. So I sent a screenshot of them telling me to like send them the order number, and then they asked if I just wanted an adhesive patch or if like the whole mount was like damaged. I just said an adhesive patch, even though I fixed it myself by using actual 3M tape and attaching that to the mount instead of that off-brand stuff. And now the mount is like rock solid on there. So yeah, that's a little bit annoying. So I was worried about having to figure out a whole new mount, but I had this like 3M roll of tape, and then I just cut strips off and then laid it on the back of the mount, like took all the old like adhesive off, and then was just using it. So it's just a 3M tape on there now, and I let it sit overnight without the GoPro on it, and I was like messing around with it this morning, and it was it's on there rock solid, which is good, because I never had any other problems with a 3M mount on the things on my other helmet. It's just if it's not a 3M, then I wouldn't trust it. I'll just say that. I'm not using anything to hold up a GoPro on my mount, on like my helmet, if it's not 3M rated. Yeah, I mean, you can take a risk if you want to, but I'm not trying to be out of like 600 bucks. So I haven't ridden on these little back roads for a little bit, so it's nice to get out back here. Slow down up here because people will turn down here. Go ahead and let me know down in the comment sections what you guys want to see more of. I know it's obviously just riding videos and stuff, but let me know any topics you want me to like cover on the Lowrider ST, or anything else you'd be interested in hearing. That'd be cool, and I'll make sure to do a video on them and stuff. What else? Oh yeah, I saw that there was like some places already snowing, so let me know down in the comment section if you guys are still able to ride, or if you guys have already put your bikes away for the winter. Thankfully, snow shouldn't happen around here for a while, so that'll be cool. and then I'm gonna be riding even. Well, I'm not gonna be riding when it's snowing. Let's be honest. I'm not that crazy. And if there's any chance of like ice being on the roads and stuff like that, like I'm not gonna be riding. But if it's just cold, then yeah, I'll ride. I got these new Thrash and Supply Mission gloves that are like their new winter gloves. Super comfortable. It's like really warm. And it's really nice because most like winter, it's kind of hard to find winter gloves for motorcycles that aren't extremely bulky, you know, because you want the warmth and stuff like that and the protection, but then they can end up being like snow gloves, and then on like it just doesn't feel that good when you're like messing around with the controls and stuff like that. It's just a lot. But these, they're super nice because they're still pretty slim, and then they're not as bulky, and then they definitely, I was using them yesterday, and then they kept my hands warm. It's not that bad today, so I didn't wear them. But yeah, they're super nice. I'm super excited to use those during colder rides. It's gonna be so nice because last year I didn't have any sort of warm glove to use. I just had my sport bike gloves, and then, I mean, those block more air than these, but not by a lot, so it was still brutal. Because that was one of the parts of my body that got cold the fastest was my hands. And I was on like a naked bike. No wind protection, no nothing. All the trees are starting to change colors and everything. It's super nice. But you just got to be careful for the leaves on the ground and stuff. See how many miles I'm at right now on the bike. I haven't ridden that much. 603. Alright. When I got the Lowrider S, I put 1,000 miles on that bike quick. It's super quick compared to this one. I would have done a lot more on this bike, but like I said, I've just been getting super busy with like the puppy and stuff like that, and then work, and then taking care of stuff. But that doesn't mean I'm not enjoying the bike and stuff like that. And then, it's gonna be nice because once the winter, or I mean, I'm gonna be riding in the winter, but once like summer hits around, or the nice spring and stuff, the puppy will be even more grown, and then I'll have even more time to get on the bike and stuff. So it'll just be super enjoyable. I'm just gonna turn down here, not go the whole way. Slow down. Alright, down this little back road. Felt a little slippery right there, but just kept it all smooth and even throughout the power band. Used the clutch and friction zone and got through that. So you just gotta be a little bit careful. I'd rather go a little slower and then not crash than try to go a little faster and then we're finishing my riding season today. That would suck. But let's go to 35 speed limit, but this car's probably like, God, he's going so slow. But I mean, in the car it's easier to take these turns, but on the bike you got to be careful. So, alright. This bike just handles so nicely too, which is great. The Lowrider S ST Softail platform, just phenomenal. Took that turn super nicely. That next turn's 20 miles an hour, so slow it down a little bit. And I know there's a hole in like the road, like a giant pothole. Yeah, right there. Don't want to get your tire caught in that. You're definitely going down if that happens. then going down here, there's a 1-lane bridge, so you got to be careful. Oh yeah, here comes a car. Thank you. That was nice of that guy. Most people would just try to go first, knowing people around here driving. And then we're just gonna go ahead, hook a right up here. Oh man, I don't know how I survived or lived life without riding a motorcycle before. I know when I really wanted to, I didn't have a bike. It was just so boring and stuff like that. And then finally on a bike, and then just feels amazing. I don't know how long the video is now, but I don't want it to be too long, so I'm just gonna be quiet. Oh god, ran over that freaking little bump. I always try to watch out for it. Jesus Christ. God, I'm gonna be feeling that later. Jesus. Alright, but like I was saying, I'm gonna hush now and just ride, and then let the footage keep rolling, and so hopefully it's not too long. And then thanks for tuning in for this little rambling, I guess. And then I'll definitely be making another video within the next couple of days, because it's, like I said, it's gonna be really nice and I have some time, so it won't be that long for the next one. But thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a good day, and hopefully it's still nice for you to ride and you can get out there. Peace.